So what's your name?
Pastor Sean Sterling, I'm a professor.
How old are you, Pastor
3
Sean?
years old.
What I want to do for me, Sean Sterling, is to sing the Olurombi song. That Onikaluku Jeje Ewure. Sing it.
Onikaluku Jeje Ewure, Ewure, Ewure. Onikaluku Jeje Akuso for no job. Onikaluku Jeje Aware, Pommy Ebo. Olurombi o John John, Iroko John John.
Olurombi
o John John, Iroko John John.
Sean, where are you from?
Igbo State.
Igbo State. Where are you living?
Okay. So
I'm traveling.
this is my girl Doris. She teaches Yoruba. She speaks it fluently. She writes it fluently, and she just taught a 3 years old Igbo boy, which is Professor Sean, who has lived all his life across Yoruba State. Like, she's good. So
And Jesus
he does up.
is Lord.
He does up.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Ayé mi o.
Oye mi o.